Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. This week we're going to be making blue cheese dip. Now, this ain't going to be a full meal, it'll be more like a snack.
Hey, now Dan, this blue cheese dressing with saltine crackers, now I could make that a full meal myself. Now you go right ahead, I'll leave you alone. Go on.
Now like Dad said, could make it a full meal. I think I could too. Let's get started. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to put your blue cheese crumbles in. Now this is 4 ounces. It only called for half a cup, but I just put all of them in there. You can got your little bowl to repurpose. Alright, now you'll have your half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm getting a little spatula here. Alright, best as it's going to get. Alright, now we'll do our half a cup of sour cream. Alright. Now I'm going to have your onion. Get that, Mom?
Yep.
Okay. Then you'll have your 1/4 cup of buttermilk. Don't worry, we'll get this all fixed together here in just a minute. Alright, we measured out our salt and pepper here. It'll be a half teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just put that on top there. And then 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Alright, let me measure out my garlic and Worcestershire sauce and we'll be right back. Alright, and here's a half teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Now, we didn't have a clove of garlic, but I looked it up. A half a teaspoon of minced garlic is equal to 1 clove, so get that on there. Get every little bit we can. Okay, and then a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and we're ready to mix this up here. Make sure everything's evenly mixed up. Alrighty folks, it's all mixed up now, as you can see. Now we'll let this sit in the refrigerator for just till it chills enough for you to eat. And we'll be right back here in just a few minutes. It'll be a little bit for us, but it'll be just a second for y'all. We'll be right back. Alrighty folks, we've let it sit for about an hour. Now we got it served out here. Just serve it with some crackers or whatever you want to dip it in with. Try some, Mama. Oh my gosh, it's so thick it's breaking the cracker.
Sorry. Good.
Good?
Delicious.
Oh my gosh, she's dropping crackers in the floor now. Alrighty folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you Friday. Thank you again for watching, and have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.